welcome back to my channel. So as you saw by the title of today's video, I'm going to be testing out one of the newer concealers on the market. I just dropped it. This guy right here. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. I don't know. Why do they have such long names? I just don't get that. But anyway, I grabbed mine in the shade 355 Vanilla, and I'm pretty positive it's going to be too light. So I've heard a lot of really good things about this concealer, that it is pretty comparable to Shape Tape, of course everybody's favorite concealer in the entire world, because it is kind of the gold standard for concealers now. Alright, so without further ado, let me go ahead and put on my foundation so we can get straight to trying out the concealer. So like I said in the intro, I think this is gonna be too light. That was really hard to pull out of there. Why? Okay, ooh, that is like white. It's got a huge applicator though. I feel like this is becoming the new trend, like these applicators being just gigantic. So I'm here for it. So let's see how it applies. Oh, she's thick. She thick. Oh my god, look at how white that is. This is a thick concealer. I'm afraid I'm putting on too much. Uh-oh. I didn't think about that till literally just now. I look like... Okay, so, oh, I can't get over how, like, white, it literally looks like white with, like, a yellow tint. But it is so thick. So let me go ahead and use my blending sponge to go ahead and blend it in, and let's see how it blends. How many times can I say blend in one moment? Oh, look at how white my chin is. Uh-oh. This is not the color for me. Like, oh, wow.
Hi, hello there. Future Editing Morgan here. I'm reviewing this footage, of course, trying to get this video up for you guys, and I realize on the video it doesn't necessarily convey how drastic the color difference between my skin tone and this concealer is. In comparison to my self-tanner, it legit was just like white, like paper white. However, I do realize in the video it just doesn't come off that way, so that's why I sound as dramatic as I do about the situation, because, like, in reality, like, here in real life, it was crazy different. But on camera, it doesn't look as drastic as I'm making it sound, so I swear I'm not being dramatic. It's just how it was. But, you know, it is what it is. So, that's all. Back to the video.
Keeping it real, aside from I don't like the color, it's blending really well. Alright. Now for the under eye. I'm scared. Oh no. Oh god. Look at how white. Well, I was tan. Not anymore. Okay, first thoughts before it starts creasing like crazy, because that always happens to me no matter what. It blends like a dream. I really like it. It's really thick and creamy and so full coverage. Wow. But this color makes me look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, and I'm not here for it. I just self-tanned. I should be this color. Orange. Not white. But, like, for real though? Like, no shade? This actually looks really good. Let me go ahead and set the face really quick before it starts creasing like crazy, and then I guess we'll see how it looks after it's set, I guess. Right? That's how we do this, right? Okay. Okay, so here is everything nice and set. Obviously, I'm super matte and very, like, monochromatic. I'm a little bit more tan looking, thank God. So, I think it actually set really nicely. It looks super, like, airbrushed and flawless, and I'm here for that. Like, okay. Like, could be a dupe for, like, a for real dupe for Shape Tape. Like, not like one of those where it's like, they're pretty close. Like, no, that's, like, real good. So I think from this point, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face of makeup, and then I will come back to you guys at the end after I've gotten everything completed, and we'll kind of see what the final look looks like, you know, how it held up throughout the rest of my makeup application process. So hang tight. I'll be right back. In your world, it's going to be like 1 second. In my world, it's going to be like an hour and a half. It's fine, okay? See you then. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face and my makeup, and look. Look at how gorgeous it looks. My under eyes and like here and here and here and here all look flawless and airbrushed and beautiful. Exactly what I'm looking for whenever I want to use a concealer. I love this concealer. I definitely need to get another shade because this is like crazy center face whatever highlight. It's a little bit more than what I'm used to. I feel like I'm beaming a light at you from the center of my face. Nonetheless, this is a gorgeous concealer that I definitely think is worth your money. And if I recall correctly, I think I only paid like $9.99 for this concealer. I don't remember 100%. Please don't quote me on that. But it's definitely it's obviously a drugstore brand and it's definitely affordable. So if you are somebody who really doesn't want to, you know, cough up the cha-ching to buy the Sharp Shape Tape concealer, maybe give this L'Oreal concealer a try. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into it, as usual. If you are brand new here, hi, hello, morning, hi, nice to meet you. I would love to have you stick around, so please give me a subscribe. It's free, okay? No one's like gonna charge you to support me, you know, so that's nice. My Instagram information is gonna be running across the bottom of the screen as well. Please give me a follow over there so I can hang out with you on there as well. So that's gonna be it. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.